Alright, so I'm in the middle of cleaning out Professor Chaos's cage right now. He's in my shirt enjoying my boobs while he can. And then I'm going to head off to the lovely Driftwood Resort for my friend's birthday. Oh boy. Yep. So, I don't know, like, if, Timothy hay is good for mice. I mean, he seems to really enjoy it. But, like, what would be the best thing to use for, a mouse? Such as he. Oh, there he goes. Zoom! Okay, yeah. Smell like mouse now. I'll just, like, set this here. Yeah, that will do, I guess. While I put this on while I put this on top. Yeah, so we're gonna meet out the Driftwood. I'm gonna do some more vlogs and stuff. And, yeah. Ugh, there you go, bud. Like, I almost think you peed on me, but I don't see any wet spots, so I think I'm good. I know he took a dump, but that happens. Oof, okay. So, yeah. Here you go, Professor. Do. Messy room. Hi, dude. We'll just do this. Ugh. Alrighty. I'm gonna give him some food. Let's see, there's not a whole lot left, so I'm just gonna dump this in there. There you go, bud. Ah! Close on me. Yeah, so I'm not going to be working for today or for tomorrow. A new video will be out in momentarily, though. Like, not today or tomorrow. Not today or tomorrow, but maybe Friday, maybe Saturday. I don't know. That toilet paper roll is now forever lost. May he rest in peace. There you go, Professor. Second one. Actually, I should move. Okay. Yes, it's my finger. Yes, it's my finger. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? I've been really, slow on the uploads because of just dealing with crap recently. But I'll try to get back into my mojo here soon. Oof, that and also, this son of a bitch makes it really hard for me to make videos, so there's that too. Yeah. Get my crap together. Okay, so I'll probably make another video at the Driftwood just to show you how pretty the place is, and you guys should come and visit. Might see you. Because I'm there like all the time. It's like my home. I know everyone who works there. They're my friends. Alright. Yeah. So, again, there may be a video on Friday, maybe on Saturday, maybe even afterwards, but, should hide that sticker. Who knows? Just keep it out for that. Here's all the laundry I have to do. Rip. Yeah, so, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.